Good afternoon, Miss. So our group is system registration subject. So for group members, my name is Chong Guan Yu.
My name is Desmond.
My name is Ki Zheng Kai.
And my name is Brandon Zerkai. So today I will present the SWOT analysis of our student registration system. First, the strength. The system provides a fast and efficient online registration process. Replace manual registration to save time and store student information in a centralized database for easier management. Next, the weakness. The system requires an internet connection, may experience downtime during peak registration periods, and technical error can interrupt the registration process. For the opportunities, we can develop a mobile application, implement AI chatbot to assist students, and integrate the system with learning management system for a better user experience. Finally, the threat includes cyber attack, server failure, and data breach, which may affect the system security and reliability. In conclusion, the student registration system offers many benefits, but continuous improvement in security, performance, and accessibility are important to provide a better registration experience. Thank you. That's all for my presentation.
So my name is Ki Zheng Kai. So I will present the determinant facility. So the first one, operational system. User can easily to use the system and it improve the registration process. This is because the system will be expect and used by student, lecturer, and also the admin. It make cost registration faster, reduce paperwork and minimization registration error. So the third one is the technical system. The requirement technology and IT require resource skills and available. This is because university have the loss of hardware, better software, good network, database, and IT staff to develop and maintain their system. So the third is the second system. The systems can complete before the planner implementation date. This is because the project can be complete when conducting the requirement time forward. The last is the economy feasibility. The long-term benefit are greater than can cost. This is because the university need to spend money on system development, server, software testing, and maintenance. So this is my part. I will pass my partner.
So for task C, so system request evaluation. This is my part. So we got three functions for this task. So the first one will be online subject registration. So for these students facing problems that is spending too much time registering subjects manually. So we propose a solution for students. So develop an online registration feature. So this can let students have a faster registration and reduce paperwork for the office workers lah. So the stakeholders will be students and academic office. So this will be a high priority because for this is the main features for the whole system. So go to the next will be a function 2, which is automatic prerequisite checking. So for this part, students facing some registration for subject without meeting their prerequisite lah. So we propose a solutions for student is automatically verify the prerequisites before the registrations of the student lah. So the expected benefit that we get is fewer registration errors and better academic planning. So this will be the stakeholder is students and academic advisor. The priority is will be high also. So for the next function 3 and our last functions will be timetable conflict detections. So for this part, students may choose subjects with overlapping schedules. So we propose a solutions to detect timetables conflicts before the registration is confirmed, so that students' class schedules will not clashes and improve students' convenience. So the stakeholder will be student and registrar. The priority will be medium, as will be low as the previous two function because this whole system can run as normally, just without these functions. Just these functions can let whole system more convenience. So that's all from me. Thank you. So I will pass this to our next teammates.
Okay, my name is Chong Guan Yu. So for the task D, the step one is the business problem. So what the problem for the system? The current subject registration process is inefficient because the student need to manually register the subject. This may cause long waiting times, registration errors, and difficulty in managing subject schedule. So the student will use many times to do the registration. So for the step two is scope. What is the scope of the system? The scope of the system is the system will allow the student register, add and drop subject online. It will also provide pre-request checking, timetable conflict detection, and allow the academic staff to manage the subject information. So for the step 3 is constraint. So the constraint of the system is the system requires a stable internet connection. So if internet is not stable, so the system will run is no good lah. So user need valid student or staff account to access this system. So the system must follow university academic rules and registration policies. For the last point is develop time and budget may be limited. So for the step 4 is fact finding method. So for the method 1 is interview. Conduct interviews with student and academic staff to gather details information about problems in the current registration process. For the method 2, observation, observe the registration process to identify delays, registration errors, and user difficulties. So for the last method is research. Research similar online registration system used by other university to identify useful feature and best practice that can be implemented in the proposed system. So for the step 5 is feasibility analysis. So we have 4 feasibility. The first one, technical feasibility. The system can be developed using existing web technology and university database system. For the feasibility, second is economic. So the system can reduce paperwork and administrative workload, which help save long-term operational costs. For the third one is operational feasibility. Student, academic advisor, and administrator can use the system easily to improve the registration process. For the last one, schedule. The system can be developed and implemented within the planned project timeline. So for the last step, step 6 is recommendation. So we have 4 recommend. So implement an online subject registration system to replace manual registration. Add automatic prerequest checking to prevent invalid subject registration. Include timetable conflict detection to avoid schedule clash. And the last one is ensure the system has strong security measure to protect student data. So that's all for our presentation for our group. Thank you.